heading towards $60,000? Bitcoin surges 10% and surpasses the $56,000 mark. Find out if the upward trend will persist. The leading cryptocurrency in the market is back on top after a period of stability, driven by the increasing demand for ETFs in the United States. Amidst the incessant hustle and bustle of the financial market, a particular cryptocurrency emerges as the supreme protagonist. Bitcoin. Picture yourself navigating the unpredictable and exhilarating waves of this vast digital ocean, where every move, every price fluctuation is like a unique narrative filled with drama and suspense. Today, Bitcoin not only grabs attention, it commands the spotlight, registering an impressive 11% surge and reaching the milestone of $56,670, according to fresh data provided by the CoinGecko platform. However, don't be fooled by the grandiosity of this number. This isn't just a momentary peak, it's a significant milestone in Bitcoin's history. The current value of the leading cryptocurrency is the highest since November 2021, indicating an upward trajectory that seems unstoppable. A quick glance at the charts reveals that Bitcoin briefly flirted with the $57,000 mark before taking a brief pause, but make no mistake, this is just a brief stop on its journey towards the top. What's behind this flurry of activity? It seems that Bitcoin is gearing up to reclaim its position as the king of the market. And exchange-traded funds, ETFs, in the United States are playing a crucial role in this ascent. Since their debut on January 11th, these funds have witnessed unprecedented trading volumes. Imagine the magnitude of this, $2.4 billion in a single day. It's a remarkable achievement, surpassing even the launch day of these ETFs. However, ETFs aren't the only exciting narrative in this scenario. Bitcoin is unleashing a positive domino effect across the entire cryptocurrency sector. Other digital currencies are benefiting greatly from this meteoric rise. Ethereum, for example, is accruing gains of 6.5%, reaching $3,254, while Solana is experiencing an impressive 10% increase, reaching $111.06. It seems that Bitcoin isn't just boosting its own value, but also lifting the spirits of the entire market. And what about capital flows? Here's a fascinating fact. While the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, GBTC, ETF recorded its lowest capital outflow to date, other ETFs are witnessing a massive influx of capital. Imagine more than $500 million. $519.81 million to be precise, flooding the market in a single trading session. It's almost as if a digital capital storm is sweeping through the cryptocurrency landscape. So what does all this mean for you, the cryptocurrency enthusiast? It's time to pay attention. Bitcoin is writing an exciting chapter in its saga, and it seems destined to remain the main protagonist. However, as with any great story, the outcome remains unpredictable. One thing is certain, Bitcoin is leading a narrative that is simply impossible to ignore. This is an exciting time to be alive in this constantly evolving digital world. Get ready for a journey full of twists and turns, because Bitcoin is just beginning its ascent to the throne of digital finance. At this moment, the question echoing through all the corridors of the financial market remains the same. Will the price of Bitcoin continue to rise? After such a notable ascent, it's natural to expect a pause, perhaps even a correction, as buyers reassess their positions and sellers take the opportunity to pocket their profits. However, this is just a brief interlude in a much more complex and dynamic narrative. There are several factors suggesting that the Bitcoin rally is far from over. One of the main drivers of this upward trend is the growing interest of major institutions in investing in Bitcoin through exchange-traded funds, ETFs. With so many institutional players entering the game, demand for the asset is rapidly increasing, fueling investor optimism and maintaining upward pressure on prices. In fact, many experts believe that in the coming months, Bitcoin will not only continue its upward trajectory but may even surpass its previous record of $69,000, leading investors into a state of euphoria and anticipation. An event generating much anticipation is Bitcoin's halving, scheduled for April. This event is crucial because it reduces the rate of new coin issuance, while demand for the asset continues to grow with the introduction of new ETFs. This creates a favorable scenario for continued appreciation of Bitcoin, as supply diminishes and demand remains robust. Furthermore, Bitcoin is increasingly solidifying itself as a reliable store of value in a world where trust in fiat currencies is declining. This aspect has been one of the main drivers behind the recent surge as investors seek assets that offer protection against inflation and the instability of the traditional financial system. With an increasingly clear use case and growing demand, Bitcoin fundamentals are robust, suggesting that current prices can be sustained with significant potential for further appreciation. Adding fuel to the optimistic fire, expectations of a more favorable monetary policy in the U.S. are creating a positive climate in the markets. If U.S. dollar liquidity continues to increase, this could further boost the price of Bitcoin as investors seek alternative assets as protection against fiat currency devaluation. This fundamental scenario is widely understood by market participants who are fueling an optimistic sentiment around Bitcoin. With all these factors at play, it's easy to understand why projections for the price of Bitcoin in the coming months are so optimistic. The next price targets, according to analysts, are $58,291, $64,539, and $74,646, highlighting the potential for further appreciation. What will become of Bitcoin in the coming months? Only time will tell, but one thing is certain. The journey promises to be exciting and full of opportunities for those willing to closely follow it. This is an exciting time for Bitcoin enthusiasts, and the possibilities are endless for those ready to dive headfirst into this ever-evolving world of cryptocurrencies. As we delve deeper into the thrilling world of Bitcoin, the question lingers: will the ascent towards $60,000 continue? The recent surge of 10%, catapulting Bitcoin past the $56,000 milestone, has captivated the attention of market observers worldwide. But what lies ahead for this leading cryptocurrency? Amidst the hustle and bustle of the financial markets, Bitcoin's resurgence after a period of stability is no mere coincidence. Fueled by the surging demand for ETFs in the United States, Bitcoin has once again seized the spotlight, demonstrating resilience and strength in its upward trajectory. Yet, this is just the beginning of a captivating narrative. With major institutions increasingly investing in Bitcoin through ETFs, the momentum for growth remains strong. Many experts foresee Bitcoin not only maintaining its upward trajectory, but potentially surpassing its previous record of $69,000 in the coming months, sparking excitement and anticipation among investors. The upcoming halving event in April looms on the horizon, holding the promise of further shaping Bitcoin's future. As the rate of new coin issuance decreases, coupled with the continued growth and demand through ETFs, a favorable environment for Bitcoin's appreciation is envisaged. Furthermore, Bitcoin continues to solidify its position as a dependable store of value in an era of dwindling trust in fiat currencies. This narrative, along with the anticipation of a more favorable monetary policy in the U.S., fuels optimism in the markets, driving further interest in Bitcoin as a hedge against currency devaluation. With these factors converging, the outlook for Bitcoin's price in the coming months is buoyant. Analysts set their sights on ambitious price targets of $58,291, $64,539, and $74,646, underscoring the potential for continued appreciation. As we embark on this exhilarating journey, I invite you to engage with us. Like, comment, share, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel. Explore our other videos for more insights into the dynamic world of cryptocurrencies. Join us as we navigate the twists and turns of Bitcoin's ascent and seize the opportunities that lie ahead in this ever-evolving landscape.